Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to upscale an image using AI. So the first thing you want to do if you want to upscale an image using AI is download Gigapixel AI from topaslabs.com. So you want to click on Try Gigapixel AI for free, then enter your email address and click Get Free Trial, and they'll send you the information on how to download it. Now once you have found where the installer has saved in your downloads folder, you can go ahead and double click it. If there's a pop-up, you'll want to select yes, and then the installer will load. Once you get to this screen, you're going to select next. Then you're going to want to read through this agreement and then accept it. You're going to want to click next again. You're going to want to click next, then click OK. Then you want to click next. Then you're going to click next, and then it's going to install. Once it finishes installing, you're going to want to click finish. Next, you are going to want to go to your desktop and double click on the Topaz Gigapixel AI icon. Once Gigapixel AI loads, you want to click File, then Open Image. Then you're going to want to find the image you want to upscale. Alright, now once you find the image you want to upscale, you're going to want to click on it and then select Open. So now it will start rendering a preview of what the image will look like once it's upscaled. And on the right, you can select how many times you want it to upscale it, and it'll show you on the bottom the resolution which it is now going to be once it's finished upscaling. You can also change modes from manual to auto if you want it to automatically detect and upscale your image, or if you want to manually mess with the settings such as suppressing noise or removing blur. Once you are satisfied with the results, you're going to want to click Save and then select Save. Now your image will save to where you told it to, and now you are done upscaling your image. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Thank you.